Happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. We thank you for all the love and support you have given us throughout the years.
We celebrate this day for all that you do, wishing you a day filled with love, joy, and appreciation.
Happy Mother's Day.
Mimi, Nana. Happy Mother's Day. I love you. We miss you both. I love you, Tita Leia. I love you, Tita Leia.
Say bye-bye! Ingat!
Bye-bye. Love you. Love you. Bye-bye.
Go!
Happy Mother's Day, Tita! Ingat ka palagi. I love you. I miss you.
Bye-bye. I love you.
Surprise! Hey sis, I just want to take a moment to wish you Happy Mother's Day all the way from here. Sending you lots of love and big hugs. We miss you so much. Please take care always. I love you. Miss you.
Hi po, Mami. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you po for everything you've done for me. I love you po and I miss you po very much. And also, to every mom also in the office, Happy Mother's Day din po. Mwah.
Hi, Mommy. Happy Mother's Day and Happy Mother's Day po sa mga mom din na nandyan ngayon. Ayan, gusto ko lang mag-thank you sa mommy ko sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa akin sa alam mo yun, sa pagpipelikula. I promise po na one day I will make you proud. Na one day makikita mo rin yung name ko and name mo sa screen. Ay, ganun. Ayun, sobrang thankful ako na ikaw yung mommy ko. And, ayun, see you soon, hopefully. And ayun, thank you talaga sa pagsuporta sa akin. Sabang, hindi ko alam kung saan mo kinukuha yung patience. Pero, ayun, sobrang nilook up ko rin yung patience na meron ko. Ayun. Ayun, thank you very much sa lahat. Sa lahat. Ini-inspire mo rin ako po na magtuloy-tuloy pa sa pangarap. And super love po kita, Mami. Love you. See you soon. Happy Mother's Day po.
Happy Mother's Day, Ma. We wish you all the best. We thank you for all your love and support, and I hope na ipagpatuloy niyo lang po yung mga bagay na kasasaya niyo tulad na pag-garden at ngayon magsaya ng Zumba. Happy Mother's Day, Ma. Sana po lagi po tayong healthy at masaya. God bless us all po. And I love you.
Yan, Happy Mother's Day po, Ma. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga bagay na nangyari sa atin. Lagi kayong nandun, nakasuporta, through ups and downs, lagi kayong nandyan, ready kayong magbigay ng love. And ngayon po, binibigay po namin ulit yung love sa inyo ulit. We love you. Happy Mother's Day po ulit.
Happy Mother's Day po.
Hi sa lahat. We just want to say happy Mother's Day sa mga magigiting na nanay. Lalo na po sa aming nanay dito sa bahay. Grabe. Ay. Blessed day po sa inyong lahat. Kumusta po kayo? We just want to greet a happy Mother's Day po sa lahat ng mga magigiting na nanay. Lalo na po sa aming mama, nanay dito sa bahay na si Abby. We love you with the love of the Lord. We are grateful and blessed na ikaw yung partner ko, na ikaw yung mama ni Zach. Happy Mother's Day po sa lahat. God bless. We miss you all.
Hello, Ma. Happy Mother's Day. And I love you. I miss you so much, especially this day. I wish I could give you a hug. And thankfully, andyan po yung tatlo and si Joanne. Iyakap na lang po nila ako at ikikiss sa inyo. So, I wanna say to you, Ma, I thank you for everything that you are doing. Thank you po sa mahabang pasensya always and for your never-ending support sa amin and pag-iintindi and for everything that you are doing. I thank God for the strength na ibinibigay niya po sa inyo araw-araw and I'm very grateful for your life, Ma. I love you so much and of course I thank you for bringing me out into this world, of course. And Papa, I thank you both for all the love that you have given to us sa aming pong lima and we are forever grateful and thankful for your lives. And to all the mothers out there and to all aspiring mothers and soon to be moms, happy Mother's Day po. You are truly blessed and I speak blessings in your life and favors and miracles, and surely the goodness of God and His mercy shall follow you all the days of your life. And I thank God for this special day that we celebrate all the moms, and we are so blessed po to have you in our life. You are blessed po. Happy Mother's Day. Love you.
Happy Mother's Day, Mommy and Mama, and to all the mothers out there. Happy Mother's Day po.
Happy Mother's Day
and
po.
Mommy, maraming salamat for everything po na ginawa niyo po sa amin and sa pag-aalaga, sa pagmamahal. And we know, you know po na we love you with the love of the Lord. And we know that you're already blessed. And maraming salamat for everything.
Yes, you are truly blessed and deeply loved. To all the mothers out there, to Mama, thank you all for your love for us, sa pag-iintindi at pag-aalaga. And to all the moms out there, we greet you a happy Mother's Day. You are blessed. We love you with the love of the Lord.
Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. I just wanted to say thank you for loving me faithfully and unconditionally for all these years. And for you, I am forever grateful. You're not just my mom, but you are also my best friend. You mean the whole world to me. A little reminder for you is that you are truly graced in Jesus. Sending you all my love and sincere regards on this special day. Love you. See you soon.
Hi, Mommy. I would like to greet you a happy Mother's Day. Thank you for being a wonderful and loving mommy to Bettina and I. You have always been a kind and supportive person, and at times of ups and downs, you never fail to show your love like how the Lord unconditionally loves us, and I will never forget that. You are also an amazing singer, and I am happy that you are back to sing again sa church. It makes me feel like a kid again when I watch you sa harap. And now, playing alongside you and Daddy gives me a big smile on my face. I am so proud to call you my mother. You are blessed, full of grace, and loved by all of us. I love you so much with the love of the Lord. Happy Mother's Day.